I gotta take a little union break, you know what I mean? Hot as hell up here. 97 today. We didn't expect that. Drink some water.
Check shit.
Don't be jumping off. It's uneven.
Wasn't too bad. I should went to the top one a little bit. Alright, let's go see. I'm trying not to. Definitely not too bad. It's not too bad. Look where I'm at right now. I think we'd have to go around. I have to climb up like right over here. What do you want to do? You want to keep walking up or what? Oh shit.
Holy fuck. What would you want to fall right into?
Yeah. This place is beauteous. I'm trying to get up there. Let's see how this fucking view from up there looks.
This is a Ryan Little production.
Oh shit. Oh, I feel a fucking breeze like this is the top. Gonzo! Look over here. Fuck, I just hit my knee. Kinda hard. What's up? Right here is over. If I fall right here, it's definitely over. How's this look? This is fucking sketchy. This is really sketchy. I gotta be careful because that is death 100%. Yeah, this is bad. Let's just hold on. As long as I hold on right here, I can't fall this way unless these rocks break. This part is definitely a little sketch. This backpack's definitely fucking getting in the way. Let's see if I can turn my body. Oh, just scrape my nipple. I knew rock climbing without a shirt on would be tough. Oh, okay. I'm good. Hard part's over. Fuck. Only boo-boos I've gotten today so far were hitting my knee up there and scraping my fucking nipple up there. Both hurt equally bad. That was sketch. There's definitely some sketchy shit. Here, go home, Alonso. I'm hurt bad. I'm hurt fucking bad, bro. Oh, fuck. Alonso, it's a little dust cloud. Let's get Alonso, an accident.